reason why, one more time. If I have the square root of -1 and I'm squaring it, that's what I squared is, those cancel. And I have -1. Okay? You've got to get that memorized. I is the square root of -1, I squared is -1. So really, this 15I squared is going to become 15 times -1. So what happened when I had my two imaginaries? Yeah, and it became a real number. Okay, anyone want to come up and take their shot for this one since I kind of answered it for you? Yeah, come on up. Oh, nailed it. Here you go. I knew this was a good purchase. Not all the things I bought in line. And have you guys gone to IKEA lately? Oh my gosh, the line wrapped around like an amusement park and then all the way back in the store. So by the time I got up to the part where it winds, I was so bored of being in line, I bought so much crap that was just in that line, you know? Because I was like, oh, I was so bored. I was like, oh, I need that. So dumb. But I'm not going to return any of it because it's all pretty cute. So, okay, what happens when we multiply a real number? So like 3 times an imaginary number, like 2i. Okay, someone who hasn't come up yet, you want to come take your guess? What do you think? When I have a real number times an imaginary number. Someone who hasn't come up yet. Braden, come on up. Everyone's going to go. We have enough questions for everyone to go. Imaginary, what do you guys think? 6i? I agree. It is imaginary.
Buckets.
Yeah, there you go. Here's your candy. Okay. Yeah, you get candy. Okay, is there any questions on the multiplication properties? Okay, so now here's what we're going to do. We're going to, you guys want to try it on your own or you want to stay together? Stay together? Okay, so let's decide what types of numbers these are being added. Is this Q plus P, P plus P, Q plus Q? What is this? On number 5. Square root of 36, rational or irrational? Q, but it's got a square root, so I thought it was an irrational. I thought it was a P. Why is square root of 36 a Q? Because why? I thought I heard someone say. I can't see who's talking because you have masks on.
Equals 6.
Yeah, because it's a perfect square. It equals 6. So it is a Q plus a Q. You guys, we don't have to simplify these. I just want to know if the answer is rational or irrational. That's it. So this one was a Q plus a Q. So what's the answer? Someone come up and take their guess who hasn't come up yet. What did we decide a Q plus a Q is? Tristan, come on up. Everyone's going to end up coming up, you guys. So what do you think? Is Q plus Q red, blue, or you want to phone a friend? Red? What do you think? Yep.
Yes.
So the answer is Q. Oh, nailed it. And he didn't even want to come up. And look at that.
Yep.
Okay. Okay, next one. Is it Q times P, P times P, Q times Q? What is that? Is square root 42 Q or P? P. And what about square root of 9? There you go, because it's a perfect square. So look back in your notes. Decide, is P times Q rational or irrational? Jimmy, you're up to bat, sir. Irrational? Correct. Oh, good. I thought that was going to be a bullseye. Here, good job.
Thanks.
Yep. Okay, next one. 63 over 9. Does that simplify at all? watch that movie. It's amazing. I just think you guys didn't understand it because you never laughed. And I know it's hilarious. Oh, well, that's still hilarious. Yeah. Okay, is square root of 63 over, or sorry, not square root, is 63 over 9 a Q or a P? It's a Q. 63 over 9 simplifies to 7. What about square root of 25? All right. So that's a Q times a Q. It's a Q. Indiana, come make your throw. She's correct. That's okay. None of us care. Oh, I'm so bad at it. Here you go, Indiana. Do you want candy?
Oh, sure, thanks.
Yeah. Is that touching red?
It's kind of an option.
Oh, no. I can't count it. You see? Brutal. But you got candy. Okay. Oh, right. Yeah, let me hit you the homework. Okay. Next one. Is it Q times Q, Q times P? What is it? Or plus? What is it? It is Q plus Q. We've already done one of these. Answer is Q. Okay. Last ones. How many people haven't gone yet? Lucas, Olivia, Eli. Someone's going to get to go twice, right? Okay. So, this one is imaginary, right? Because it's a negative square root, plus imaginary. Okay? So, either Lucas, Olivia, or Eli. Come make your guess. Lucas is coming up. He thinks it stays imaginary. So do I. Oh, I didn't think you had it. All right. Okay, next one is an imaginary times a real. I times R. Eli, you want this one? Thank you, sir. So blue is imaginary and red is real and yellow is phone a friend. So he thinks it's imaginary, correct. Oh, okay. Next one is square root of negative 40. Is that imaginary or real? Come on, guys, we're so close. Imaginary or real? Imaginary. Imaginary? What about square root of 9? All right, Olivia, you're up. Is an imaginary plus a real? Imaginary, real, or do you want to phone a friend? Excuse me. She says blue, imaginary, correct. Oh, good. There's some Smarties. Uh-huh. Okay, last one, imaginary times imaginary. Everybody's gone once. So anybody want a second try? Anybody? Dallin. Okay. Which is it? Blue? Nope. Red, real. Oh, you got candy? Do you want more candy?